Artificial intelligence mimics human intelligence, allowing machines to learn, problem solve, and decide autonomously. One of its parts, recognition models, are used to recognize underlying patterns in visuals. In healthcare, they diagnose diseases from images, while in security, they authenticate faces, inspiring our own approach. Hello, this is Team Valhalla. We are on the track of AI and ML, and we chose the topic multilingual handwriting detection. This project employs deep learning, utilizing neural networks, particularly convolutional neural networks, to automatically learn hierarchical representations from data, recognizing patterns in images and providing accurate results. We use the data sets of more than 4 languages, up to 10 GB data, trained the model by ourselves, and even integrated the ML model with the website. We used Ensemble learning to train individual models and combine them into one, which I'll explain later. Here you can see the code for the front end and the back end that we have integrated properly. The website here shows the handwriting model, the front end and the back end parts, which here in parts. Each of the sections represent a different language, and we will continue to update so as we get the updates. Here, I would now like to show the backend model, which is the ML model, deep learning. The split screen shows the both the model and the backend of the site. First up, Hindi. Let's select a letter. Here you can see that the image that we have selected gets gets put up in the ML model through the fast API, gets pre-processed, and the ML model gives predictions based upon the accuracy of the ML model, and which gets shown in the front end of the website. You can see in the VS Code terminal that it is getting processed properly, which means that both the front end and the back end are integrated properly and they are communicating with each other properly. We can select our own files to upload in it. You can see the VS Code terminal and the front end of the project. The All of these letters are getting recognized properly. Next up, we can select another language too. Let us select another language, which is English in this case. And here it is written IAND. Let's see if the model recognizes IAND properly. Uh, Here it is getting an error. I think the problem is with the VS Code terminal a bit. We can select another language in this case if the problem is getting persisted. Yep, we have solved the problem, which was VS Code in this case. And yes, the model is predicting the English letters too properly. And if we select IAND in this case, so yep, it is getting processed properly and it is recognizing the letters IAND. The backend and front end are integrated properly, which are both working in this case. Let's select another language, Arabic in this case. Here are some Arabic letters which I don't know myself, but the model is recognizing the letters very perfectly. Here are the examples that we have put up in the front end of the website. As you can see yourselves, when you select those letters, it is recognizing properly. Just so you know that we have integrated both the models properly, the front end and the back end. You can see the VS Code terminal that it is running the code properly. The Arabic letter, it is recognizing the model. So, for the three languages, we have tried to integrate properly with up to 10 GB data sets that we have collected from all over the internet, and Gujarati too. In this case, four languages that we have tried to implement in our project. All the four languages are well up put and working in our project. The front end and the back end are running. The ML model in itself is fine tuned and trained by ourselves, and it is running too. And we have also used Docker files, Docker container, to automate the production files in our system to make it more deployable and to automate the deployment process. So our whole Scribble Sense project is not only a ML model, it is a complete project in itself, and we have tried to integrate it 1 to 100% totally. We have put up everything that we have known, and yes, this is it. Team Valhalla signing off. Thank you.